Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. In today's newspaper of Friday, July the 7th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 2 stars. Well, it's not actually at 2 stars. 3 star Sudoku, it's actually not a 3 stars because this has 28 printed digits. We have a Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is the 3 star Sudoku number 6715. Oh. Come on. Where's my red pencil? Come on. Here we have a red pencil here. 6715. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you this one has 28 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But I think it's a 0 star, yeah, because it has more than 27 printed digits. 1 star Sudoku has 27, and you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 40 minutes, I don't know, we will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Alright. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And we have a pair, 5 and a 6 in the first row, 5 and a 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, I cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about the number, need an 8 here. 8, 4, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in the first row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 9, okay. Interesting. We have a pair, 4 and a 9 in the last column, 4 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in the last column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square here are the 4 and the 9. The other 2 missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, and look, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then the 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 1. How about the 2 in this row, 2 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 2. How about the 3 then? And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next down, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 in this column should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 50 minutes for 0 stars. Yeah, definitely a 0 stars. Should be 30, maybe 12 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now. Yes.